Hey friends, good morning and welcome to Rookie! Wow, sampay sa likod. Today is August 1 na. August 1 na. We are in midsummer na. Ang bilis. Finally, sa wakas at naging maaraw na din because the whole month of July was such a rainy day. Ayan. So, today I have a hair client. Dito tayo kasi parang off yung ilaw dyan. I have a hair client today. And mag-ano kami. Brazilian. Blowout. So, it is like mag-8 na. So, I need to eat my breakfast. And my breakfast for today, which is I've been eating lately, is this one. Egg and bacon and also coffee. Magka-coffee tayo. Kasi coffee is life. Pero not too much kasi baka it's ma-disaster na naman tayo. So, by the way, wait lang. So, by the way, have you noticed something different? Have you noticed something different for me? I'm gonna give you a clue. A hint. A hint. So, yeah. I've cut my hair finally. I've been wanting to cut this hair kasi it's so long. Parang dito na yata. And I don't like the way it looks na. Because parang it looks like numinipis siya. Ang sakit ang aking hand by holding this phone. So, parang numinipis siya. I don't know, it's weird. Pag nandito ako, parang nagiging super flat yung hair ko. Like this. Hindi ko to blower as in air dry lang. Pat ganito na siya ka-flat. So, I wanted something a little. I wanted a little volume at least ang kate. So, para mag-volume siya at least. Dapat ko na siyang i-cut. And yung long hair din, I feel like it makes me look older. Old naman talaga ako. Kasi, oh my god, I forgot to tell you that I already had my birthday. My birthday's finished na. Finished na. Tapos na ang aking birthday and I am already, guess what? How old I am. So, I'm just gonna quickly eat. Kumusta pala kayong lahat mga friendship? How are you all? It's been a while since I did a video. Yeah. Meron naman akong may konting vlog pero busy ako kaya hindi ako nakapag-edit. So hopefully ma-edit ko to agad and then pero yung una ko i-post is yung isang vlog muna. So it's already 8. I need to eat now kasi 9 o'clock yung 9:30 yung appointment time namin. So, hopefully, I will see you all later. So, I'm just gonna quickly do my hair. And it's so hot. I'm just gonna curl it.
I called you tonight. I've been thinking this for too long. Send a message, you don't reply. I'll keep looking for you, even if it's wrong. I'm sitting all alone in my room.
I'm done. This is my outfit. It's summer already and already you cannot see it. Did my hair but I ran out of hairspray. Sana magtagal itong aking hair, no? But I really like this. It's so light for the summer and for my waves kasi pag whoa, somebody is at the background. So eto lang, simple lang ating get up. Ayan. So, I really like my hair. I really like my hair this short kasi mabilis lang siya i-style. Cannot see it. So, I'm gonna put it like that. This is my hair. and my outfit for today. So it's already 9, but I'm waiting for my customer, client, or whatever you call it. Yan, ang dilim naman. Cannot see me properly. So yeah, see you later. Bye. Hi friends, we are finally finished. So here is Darren's hair. Wow, di ba bongga? Do you like it?
Super.
Super?
Super like it.
Pag sure da ba?
Sure kayo eh.
Oh.
Ako ra good oh. Kailan pa ko sumbana
Wala. Sure wala. So ayan guys, so hopefully I'm gonna insert obviously a clip pero konti lang kasi busy kami. So yeah, yung before and after picture niya. So yay! We're finally done. So see you later. So this is by the way yung hair color na ginamit namin sa kanya from Palti. Yan, coloring milk. Maganda yung consistency ng hair color na to, and ayan yung kulay niya. Nakakanji, so I cannot read it. So this is how it looks like. Ayan. Regarding sa yung mga gray hairs, hindi siya talaga nakakakulay talaga ng gray hair compare doon sa Hoyu na brand na hair color, kasi yung gray hair ni Lota yung Hoyu yung ginamit namin, nag-color talaga, but this one is more on yung sa mga walang gray hair lang, yung normal na hair lang na that you need to color. So ayan, nice color, parang beige something. So now it's going to be lunchtime, 4 o'clock. Okay lang kasi kumain naman kami ng snacks. Oh, my eyes is getting like, I think lumalalim yung aking dito. Maybe because I am losing weight. Losing weight talaga. So here's the aftermath of it all. Yeah. So eto lang pala yung gamit ko na chair, guys. Ginawa talaga, no? Ginawa to ni Rocky.
Repair.
Yeah, eto. Kasi naman, okay lang din naman siya. Kasi medyo gusto ko sanang bumili nung yung sa styling chair talaga sa Amazon, pero ang tagal ng shipping. Diyo nga, wait lang sita. So ayun, so balak ko din nga bumili ng blower na yung powerful na blower, pero grabe, nagulat ako sa shipping. Grabe yung shipping niya. So maybe sana binili ko na lang nung time na by August baka dumating na yun. Kasi lahat ng sa Amazon, lahat ng orders ko nakasabi na August, pero may in-order ako last Sunday. Dumating na ngayon, 1 week lang. Weird. Yeah, akala ko sa August pa, but still it's August 1 naman ngayon. But yung nakalagay August 13, tapos dumating na siya. Yeah. Pero hindi ko alam. Ito yung ko. Ito yung package ko. So ayan. So maybe yun. For the meantime, ito na muna yung gagamitin ko ni upholster ni Rookie. Yan. So thanks so much to my husband kasi marunong siya niyan. So I'm gonna eat lunch. Kaming dalawa ni Rookie kakain, and I will see you later hopefully. So it is like 4 or 5 and labas tayo kasi nagsampay ako, and then andito si Melvin. I'm just gonna pet Melvin. Ayan, hello Melvin. That is Melvin. Let's not put Melvin sa camera. Kasi nung last time na tinapat ko yung cellphone sa face niya, nakita niya yung ibang cat, akala niya hindi siya. So, ayun. He scratched me. Like, yung isang, talaga yung claw niya, tumusok dito, sa dito ko. Tapos, dalawang tusok, and then a scratch. So, let's not put the camera, near him. Kasi, baka ma-trigger siya, makita niya na may ibang cat. Tapos, hindi niya kasi alam, he haven't looked himself in the mirror, kaya hindi niya alam yung face niya. Tapos, siya pala yun. That is Melvin. Such a feeler. Melvin. So, here's my lunch today. For today, this is Napolitan, and I'm gonna drink it together with Fanta because it's been a while since I last had Fanta. I guess, I don't know. I could not remember. Did I drink Fanta? I don't know. I always drink Coca-Cola and coffee. So, I'm gonna. This is orange. Yeah. Orangey. Forever. So, yeah. So, I'm just waiting for my barbecue. I forgot to heat up my barbecue. Malamig siya. Kasi siya sa freezer. No, not in the freezer, but inside the fridge. So, I'm just gonna heat that quickly. And then, I'm gonna put cheese on this Napolitan. So, friends, I'm gonna eat now. Wala pala si Rookie. So, ako lang yung kakain kasi umalis saglit si Rookie. May pinuntahan sila ng friend niya. So, I'm just gonna quickly eat kasi kumain na din siya. So, meron din pala akong puto. Ouch, ang init. Di ko kaya. Leche puto. Leche puto. Pag sinama ko yung leche, nagiging puto, pag puto, okay lang. Pero pag nandito ng leche puto ni Lota. And then, eto nga yung barbecue ko. May nagbibenta sa work namin, kasama namin doon. Ayan, masarap yung barbecue na. Yeah. Eto, I'm excited to eat the barbecue. And then, Napolitan. May dalawa pa kasi na sila kasi hindi ko naubos nung lunch namin. Sarap. Masarap yung timpla ng barbecue. Tapos malambot din yung pork. Got my package from Amazon. Aray! Ano kaya to? Let me read this one. What is this? I think this is the CosRX one. Oh. Wala lagi na butangi og room 634-1. Bugo ang suwatan. That's why they don't know where I live. Oh, I'm so happy. Wow. Akala ko August 24 pa talaga siya darating kasi sabi sa August 24 pa daw. Liar! 1 week lang pala. So, guess what, friends? I bleached my hair. So this is how it turned out. So I bleached this twice only, and look how white this is. Like, it's like, oh my god, I did not expect it to be like this white. So it's still looking pretty healthy. I don't know, I cannot do close up anymore, but as you can see, it's pretty still very healthy. Oh yeah, no, it's still pretty shiny, although the ends look like this. But yeah, weird naman talaga tingnan pag na bleach na, but it feels so healthy. I'm surprised that my hair is like this when bleach, because I haven't colored my hair. I haven't tried coloring my hair, and most especially bleaching my hair, so this is how it turned out. Super pale. And mind you, I only bleached this twice, and the bleach that I used is this one from Palti. It's the Men's Palti Energy Bleach EX. So this is super strong, guys. Grabe. Yeah, I only bleached this twice with this one, and eto na yung nangyari, di ba bongga? Twice. But I also added some heat on this one and isolated with a foil, maybe because yun yung ginamit ko, that's why it has gotten into this kind of, very pale yellow. So I'm planning to color this with yung silver. Ayan, so I'm just amazed. So my friends, I think that's it for me today. I'm gonna sign off now. We are going to watch a movie. It is already 9 p.m. and I'm gonna say good night now. So I hope you all had a wonderful day and a great day as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep a smile. And hopefully I will see you on my next video. Good night.